Welcome to Scenic Reel, where technology, power, and the future collide. What if the future of war is already here? Imagine shooting down missiles with beams of light, or commanding an entire battlefield from space. This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's real. It's Israel 2026. In a world of rising global tension and fast-evolving threats, one small nation is building the most advanced military technologies on Earth. Some battle-tested, others still top secret. From AI-controlled tanks and hypersonic defenses to drone swarms and orbital command centers, these 10 game-changing systems are redefining what it means to fight and win on tomorrow's battlefield. And number one, it's not just powerful. It may be the most important combat system ever built. So buckle up. This is Scenic Reel, and this is the future of war, Israeli style. Is more than weapons. It's a glimpse into the future of global conflict, Israeli style. Number 10, Iron Beam, the world's first operational laser missile defense system. Picture this, neutralizing an incoming rocket with a beam of light. Iron Beam, developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, is a high-energy laser system capable of vaporizing rockets, mortars, and drones at the speed of light. Silent, smokeless, and requiring no explosive projectiles, it uses a 100 kilowatt laser in a direct line of sight to destroy threats. Each shot costs only a few dollars, compared to tens of thousands for traditional interceptor missiles, making it a game-changer in both capability and cost efficiency. By 2026, Iron Beam is fully integrated into Israel's multi-layered air defense network, working in tandem with Iron Dome and David's Sling. It's more than a weapon, it's a revolutionary shift in defense logistics. Number 9, Iton APC, Armored Mobility, reinvented introducing Iton, Israel's first wheeled armored personnel carrier designed for the hybrid battlefield. With top speeds over 90 km and off-road agility, Iton carries up to 12 fully equipped soldiers. What sets it apart? The integration of the Iron Fist active protection system, capable of intercepting incoming threats like RPGs and anti-tank missiles before impact. Equipped with battlefield mapping, autonomous navigation, and digital warfare systems, Iton is replacing outdated tracked vehicles with a faster, smarter, and more resilient option for 2026 and beyond. Number 8, Carmel, the AI-powered tank platform. Imagine a battle tank that feels more like a digital command center. Carmel is Israel's cutting-edge armored vehicle, powered by artificial intelligence and operated by just 2 crew members using touchscreens, augmented reality, and voice commands. With neural networks for target detection, autonomous threat prioritization, and real-time drone integration, Carmel isn't only about firepower, it's about dominating through information and speed. Acting as a battlefield hub, Carmel connects ground forces and aerial units with next-gen communications and decision-making tools, reshaping how battles are led. Number 7, Scenic, hypersonic missile defense achieved. The rise of hypersonic missiles has left many nations scrambling, but Israel may already have the solution. Scenic is an advanced interceptor system designed specifically to destroy targets flying at over Mach 5. Using adaptive guidance, multi-stage propulsion, and high-altitude tracking, Scenic is expected to be combat-ready by 2026. In the world of hypersonic warfare, every millisecond counts, and Scenic might be the fastest, most precise defense system ever built for this era. Number 6, Merkava 5 Barak, the smartest tank on the planet. Israel's famed Merkava tank series has entered a new era with the Mark V Barak, a battlefield system disguised as a tank. Outfitted with AI-based fire control, 360-degree sensor fusion, and real-time battlefield intelligence sharing, the Barak predicts ambushes, recommends routes, and communicates live with UAVs and infantry. Featuring the upgraded Trophy Active Protection System, a semi-autonomous turret, and networked operations, this isn't just a tank, it's an armored supercomputer rolling through war zones. Number 5, Seabreaker, autonomous stealth missile redefines naval warfare. Fast, silent, and deadly, Seabreaker is Israel's stealth precision missile for naval strike missions. Capable of hitting moving targets over 150 kilometers away, it uses electro-optical imaging, AI object recognition, and terrain-following technology, all without GPS. Seabreaker can dynamically retarget mid-flight and evade defenses, whether it's launched from land, ships, or submarines. It turns naval combat into a one-sided affair where Israel holds the technological upper hand. Number 4. Spark, AI-controlled kamikaze drone, swarms. Imagine dozens of small drones diving from multiple directions, each autonomously selecting and striking targets. That's Spark, Israel's AI-guided swarm drone weapon built by Elbit Systems. Cheap and expendable, Spark drones can overwhelm defenses through sheer numbers and intelligent coordination. No human pilots needed. It's the ultimate tool for saturation attacks, targeting vehicles, command centers, and air defense systems with terrifying precision. Number 3. Python 5, AI-driven air-to-air missile with 360 degrees kill capability. The Python 5 is a 5th-generation air-to-air missile equipped with AI-powered targeting and lock-on after-launch capabilities. It can strike from any angle, even beyond visual range. With its electro-optical AI seeker, Python 5 identifies and tracks multiple threats in real time, including aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Whether launched from fighter jets or deployed via Spider air defense, it's not just a missile, it's an autonomous hunter. Number 2. Sky Shield. Warfare goes electromagnetic. Forget explosives. Sky Shield defends with data. Developed by IAI ELTA, Sky Shield is a next-gen electronic warfare suite that jams enemy radar, disrupts missile guidance, and protects communications from cyber interference. Already in use with F-35s and NATO operations, it's fortified with AI to enhance signal deception and counter digital threats. In this new domain of combat, Sky Shield proves that information and electromagnetic dominance can neutralize threats before a single shot is fired. Number 1. Ofek 16, Israel's orbital battlefield commander. At the top of the list is Ofek 16, Israel's latest military satellite, engineered by Israel Aerospace Industries. Delivering ultra-precise sub-meter imaging in all conditions, it provides real-time target tracking and battlefield coordination from orbit. But Ofek 16 is just one node in a growing space constellation, including Amos, Texar, and future AI-enhanced satellites that forms a permanent command post in space. With this orbital infrastructure, Israel now directs missions, guides drones, and launches operations from above, ushering in a new phase of space-enabled warfare. Finally, you've just seen the front lines of tomorrow, from lasers and drones to AI-powered tanks and satellite command posts. This isn't the future of war, it's the new normal. These aren't just weapons, they're the building blocks of a new military era. And Israel? It's not just keeping up, it's leading the charge. But here's the real question. If this is what 26 looks like, what's coming next? Stick with us, because on Scenic Reel, we don't just show you what's happening. We take you to the bleeding edge, where power, technology, and strategy collide. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Drop a comment on which tech stunned you the most. Subscribe and hit the bell, because the battlefield of tomorrow, it's just getting started. This is Scenic Reel, and the future is already here.